Business Excellence Coach.
Hi, welcome all of you to this episode of Enso Life micro learning session.
Yeah.
Hey Jacob, what are you going to talk today?
Yeah. Most relevant thing right now is after the lockdown, we have come out of it, right? Now we need to get back to life.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So, what are things that we need to focus on from the employee's point of view?
Yes.
Right. Okay.
It can be human resources, it can be sales and marketing, various aspects of
In fact, every aspect of the industries right now is the focus on.
right, you're right.
Because some people tell me, like for example, some of my friends told me that they're finding it difficult to come back after hibernation kind of life. So now it's basically you need to get back to the active life now.
Right.
They have somehow even forgotten the basics. Some are even finding difficult to work. So we all need to come back, right? Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So
So let's start with human resources. That's my area.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me talk about human resources. In human resource aspects, when we talk about it, let's start with the communication.
Yeah. Very important.
The
Communication.
communication within the company towards the associates from the top level to the bottom level. That's very important. Important thing.
Yeah. Right. The lines of communications have to be kept open now. People need to communicate more because I think communication actually opens up a lot of frontiers ahead of you. So that's very important now. All misconceptions can be cleared by communications, and people have to come back now. People need to communicate more now.
In recent times, we have seen that due to lack of communication, the colleagues are very unhappy because recent times due to this pandemic time,
Yeah.
the business owners they don't talk to their colleagues properly and
Very true. Very true.
yeah.
Yeah.
Did you hear something? about
Yeah,
it?
I heard about it. Yeah, a lot of people were not communicating. People were just sitting back and not able to come out of the shock. That is, we can say in that particular sentence. That shock was there, so they were not able. They were not communicating with each other much of it. Yeah.
So how we can improve this the work life, blissful work life?
Yeah. We
How
need
we
to
can-
create a blissful work life. I think if you have not done that, we need to start communicating with each other again. I think communication is very important because I've seen professionals are not able to communicate. They have misconceptions. They carry a lot of misconceptions. They still carry a lot of the wrong ideas in them. So you need to come out of it and start communicating with people.
So we have to see how we can involve our colleagues in decision making. For example, we can include them in brainstorming session, and during this pandemic time, we can involve them. So they will.
Very true, very true.
Yeah.
Because people have a lot of ideas. Every person is very creative.
True.
Every person is unique. Every person is innovative, and every person is special actually.
Yes.
So we need to bring out the best in them by involving them into brainstorming sessions. Sometimes you think, okay, maybe that fellow is not that educated as up to what I'm good, but maybe he's got more ideas than you know. He will help you, and he will help you to think a better way to come out of situations. More innovative kind of ideas. So you need to get these ideas out of them.
We have to see that this time is for business remodel. Everybody is talking about remodeling of business. At the same time, this is a time to help each other.
Yeah.
We remodel everything, and like panda
Yeah.
is the animal, the friendly animal
Oh,
comes to
right,
our mind.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's a brand animal also. That's a Suiza brand. Yeah. Panda is a very friendly animal. Very friendly. We cannot call it animal. You can call it a very friendly. Anyway, I think panda is very friendly. It is actually a lot of people love it, and a lot of people like to communicate with it, and it's so playful actually. So that is what we should also get into. Something like a panda kind of qualities where you can bring out, communicate more, get the more playful nature in that human being out, and take out the stress, the negative stress that is there, and you can take it out.
So Jacob, what message we are going to pass today to our community?
Yeah. Right now, we need to be like we normally discussed. Be very communicative. and spend more time with each other, and see the innovative ways how you can bring out the businesses. And when I come to business, it's like we say, this background of ours is the bamboo garden, right? So bamboo is normally, in most Asian culture, bamboo is supposed to be having a lot of positivity. Chinese usually associate everything bamboo with the positivity. Even the paintings also you can see the bamboos. In bamboos there are lots of animals that stays in them. It's actually an ecosystem here. So and they normally, some of these animals here, they hibernate for a long time. And when they come out of hibernation, they go in for the small animals, like every small things there. The first thing when the animal comes out of hibernation, it looks for the smallest prey. So right now during lockdown, now we need to focus on the smallest prey now. That is business, small business. Bring it small. Whatever little business that comes in, take it. And then finally, after these animals gets a bit of strength, then what happens is they go in for the bigger praise.
Yes.
Yeah. So right now let's go in for the smaller praise, and in a few minutes time you can go for the bigger praise. That is what I feel from the sales side, the sales and marketing kind of side.
So knowing is not doing, doing is knowing.
Knowing, exactly. Yes.
Yes.
Very true.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And what do you feel about the other aspects of HR now? What all things they can focus on?
In this time, what we can do is learning, continuous learning is important. So this time, what we can do is we can initiate online learning for all colleagues.
Yeah.
That's one thing,
Yeah.
important thing. So it's available. There are free webinars available,
Digital
free,
platforms, right?
free Zoom meetings available. So you can browse around and find what are the. Even some universities are giving free sessions these days. American Portland Lodging Educational Institute is giving 90 days free certificate programs. So
Yeah.
you can browse that information and update yourself. So this is one point.
Yeah,
I want to highlight.
this is a time when they can update their knowledge. You can call it upskilling, you can say, right? Upskilling.
Yes.
Yeah. So whether it's the employees, all those people, all the stakeholders can spend a lot of time in upskilling their knowledge, like you said. Yeah. And which are the areas? What about compensation? People are worried about money, right?
Yes, that's true. One area is important. So
Yeah.
you can do that, but proper communication is important there. You call the meeting. Just call for a meeting with all your associates. You please have
Stakeholders,
stakeholders. You have a meeting and inform them your current situation and tell them, and you will find that different categories of people in your team, and some of the team members will accept it when you clearly explain to them.
Okay, you mean to say the pay cuts and all that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. People should be able to realize that now. Things okay. You can keep the CTC of what they're getting intact, not intact. I mean to say, in the future point of time you can give that, but till then you can have a temporary kind of CTCs which is actually takes care of the livability.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Which are the aspects you feel we should focus on the employee from the HR point of view? Like what about the maintenance, admin of a particular place, administration?
Administration now, what we can do is most of the industries now they update their SOPs, standard operating procedures.
Yeah.
Anyway, after this lockdown period, we are in a new world. Before COVID and after COVID, it's like AD and BC.
Yeah.
So you can see the changes in future. So you can update all your standard operating procedures this time, and then you can run it once you are ready to open. So that is one thing in administrative side I can suggest.
Okay. What are the productivity the HR productivity part?
One is training, continuous training.
Okay.
You have to start continuous training. At this moment, it's not possible on-site training, but it is easy for everyone to implement online training.
Yeah.
So we suggest to start online training whichever
Yeah.
possible, so you can get full involvement from your team. All your teams can be involved in this.
Yeah. Okay. But people are working with only 50% employees, right?
Yes.
50%.
Yes.
So how do they manage? How will they manage with only 50%?
With 50%, how we can manage? I didn't think about it.
Okay, but you mean to say people should multitask now?
Multitasking is one way is it helpful.
Yeah.
Multitasking can be done, but at the same time, upskilling
Yeah.
is required.
Yeah.
Upskilling is required. So immediately, all of a sudden, if we ask them to do different various roles, it won't be possible.
Yeah.
So this is the time you can upskill
Yeah.
your team.
I think first you need to change attitudes also
Yes.
towards different work,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Because that is my work and I will not do it. You have to do it. Huh? That attitude has to change, I guess.
So now we talk about up to this point. We were talking about life skills or smart. Now we have to talk about smart skills.
Smart skills, yeah.
Smart skills.
Smart skills. Yeah.
Smart skills. So it can be your attitude, your behavior, and the communication.
Yeah, that's
That is
very
the-
true. Please always focus on the communication.
Communication is life.
part. Communicate with your suppliers, communicate with your distributors, communicate with all the stakeholders of your company. I'm sure you're going to have a breakthrough. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So with this, we can conclude. I think we can conclude this micro learning session. Hope you enjoyed this session.
Yeah.
Please stay tuned for our future sessions in
Yeah.
coming days.
Yeah. Please share and post your comments, which is going to help us. Okay.
This is Vincent Devi signing off.
And this is Jacob here.